nyumbani.
Tim mar Zetec Sparks otieko listi mar timbe aboro donjo e nus finals mag tuke mag FKF Women's Cup bang' loyo tim mar Kisiwa Starlets gonde 8-0 e lap mar Sudi Stadium. Zetec Sparks noyudo gonde mapiyo kokalo kuom jotugo Beverly Nadika gi Chaviha Sheril manoloyo dakika mar 13 kod 32 kaluore. Sparks nomedo gol mar 3 kokalo kuom jotugo Beverly Nadika kapok Fridas Abdalla medo gol mar 4. Loyo gonde no dhi nyime bang' Otieno Violet nomedo gonde 2. Ana Arusi kaachiel kod Odian Christabel otieko loyo gonde ne Sparks.
Beverly anajaza mpira ndani, wapi kichwa kinaunganika, Mona Lisa anaondosha, bado hatari iko, anaondosha hatari, pata bao la pili hapa.
Tumefanya preparation mzuri katikati ya wiki na tumekuwa na mpaka test match at least hii level, ndio nikaona nikakuwa na hiyo nilipata hiyo njia poa ya kuangalia hii team vile iko. So kwa friendly tulijaribu kuwaka na vitu fulani ambazo nilikuja nikaongea na wasichana wangu na nikawaambia to stick to our philosophy ambao to me leo imewaka vizuri sana, manake mimi utoka na build-ups.
Perhaps after we beat Viga Queens, we went back and sat back. We were hoping that this might be a lighter team, but perhaps there were a few lapses here and there that maybe next time we are going to look at them and be able to do something about them, and next time it won't be the 8-0, but we hope the next time it will be something better.
Nakoro mugiko dhi nyime wadonje tuke mamoko mag ng'wech.